ordering the Quattro Giant. We're just gonna get the medium to try it. It's only 9 inches, so it shouldn't be too big. The Quattro Giant comes with 4 different types of pizza. So the Garlic Master, Charcoal Grilled Chicky Terry, Domino's Deluxe, and Mayo Jaga. So I don't know what's Garlic Master, but I'm hoping it'll be good. But looking here, the Domino's Deluxe is just all pepperoni, sausage, mushroom, green peppers, onions, and tomato sauce. The Mayo Jaga is the kind of weird. It has potato slices, pork sausage, mayo, parsley, and tomato sauce. Don't know how I feel about this. And then we have the Charcoal Grilled Chicken Terry. So teriyaki chicken with teriyaki sauce, spinach, mayo and corn, and then with tomato sauce.
12 seconds later.
We have a Domino's. We have a Domino's. We have a Domino's. Woo woo. Okay, let's see if it's any good. It's so hot. It came so fast. Oh, there we go. Wow. Okay, so this is our nuggets and potato wedges. Very basic and simple. It's fine. Okay, so I believe this is the Mayo Jaga with the potato wedges. And this is probably the garlic one. Has little ham pieces and sausages. And then this is probably the teriyaki chicken deluxe. Bam. Which, look at that. There's actual clams in this clam chowder. I'm gonna try the little potato jaga. It is surprisingly light. The crust is so thin. Oh my god. I thought it would be thicker than this, but wow. Now for the chicken terry. I don't know why I said it like that, but it has this like weird artificial taste to it. The chicken itself is good, but there's a lot of mayo on this. I don't know how I feel about it. The garlic one. Ooh. There's actual garlic slices on it. So, but it's good. It's like, tastes kind of like a Alfredo pasta sauce. Now for the last one, the deluxe. This is my favorite. Anything with green onion and mushrooms, I'm okay. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba.